Now it's mid-March in Europe and we are on wild garlic harvest, Allium ursinum, or you might be harvesting Allium trichocum in North America. It's beautiful culinary medicinal wild plant. We usually harvest leaves when there are buds before blooming. We do harvest few of them and we fry them on the skillet. We will make pesto. What else? Will we make raw crackers, Linda? We might make wild garlic crackers. We did already wild garlic kraut. You could see our video. No, we haven't done. We haven't made them yet, crackers, but we will. But I'm saying that we did wild garlic kraut 2 days ago, and we left video for everyone so they could see it if they're interested. Wild garlic is a natural digestive tract cleaner. So if you're suffering of, if you need some kind of tonic to your digestion, if you're suffering of colics or winds, or if you need some kind of treatment for your indigestion or loss of appetite, I don't, but if you do, then go for it, wild garlic. Also, it's great heart supporter. If you need to support your heart, or if you need to decrease your cholesterol or blood pressure, then wild garlic is great remedy. If you need to ease stomach pain, then this is it, wild garlic. It's a great blood pressure regulator, wild garlic. It will lower cholesterol levels and enhance blood vessels. So if one suffers of arteriosclerosis, then this is great natural remedy, wild garlic, because it works like, actually it works like, I mean, if you suffer of hardening and if your arteries are hardening and stiffening, if you need to support your cardiovascular system, then this is it, wild garlic. You can take it in the capsules or fresh wild garlic, or you can make tincture. There was one question someone asked, that how long would it take that person to decrease levels of cholesterol that is too high. It will not happen from day to day, but it will take roughly 1 month to 3 months, 1 to 3 months to decrease your levels of high cholesterol. If you take this wild garlic or ramp therapy, let's call it this way, so it takes roughly 1 to 3 weeks. So it's great for your cardiovascular system, really, really good. You know, blood vessels that bring oxygen-rich blood from your heart to the all cells of your body, so you can support them just by eating wild garlic or ramps. Or if you feel like there are people that they can't stand that smell, that it really stinks, then you can take some supplements. But I am really for fresh or for natural, you know. I make tincture with wild garlic, but I harvest really, really young, small wild garlic sprouts, and I make tincture with these emerging little small wild garlic sprouts. So it's like, if you ever heard about chemotherapy, then I use these small little wild garlic, little leaves, really, as soon as they do emerge from the soil. Right, so you can take it in the dried form, fresh form, tincture way, or just eat it fresh as it is, you know. That's the best way, really, if you have access to wild garlic or ramps, Allium ursinum or Allium trichocum. It's my wild garlic. I think it will be wild garlic crackers and wild garlic, fresh eating of wild garlic. Normally I do kraut, wild garlic kraut, little bit of pesto, then we eat it fresh. Then I freeze a little bit, just tiny bit, and I make wild garlic sea salt. You can look it up if you go through my videos on YouTube. I left some video how to make wild garlic salt. It's very easy. Right, so also if you want to support your memory, it's amazing. Keep eating it. It's a great memory supporter. I know that lion's mane is great for memory support and ginkgo biloba as well, but wild garlic as well. So happy spring, everyone. There was the sound of woodpecker just like 5 minutes ago up there. You just missed it, and it was beautiful. It was beautiful. I love listening to the sound of woodpecker. I usually check if there is no ivy around, because you see it's all covered with this ivy, which is poisonous. It's everywhere in the wild garlic, so better check. Well, still it's not lily of the valley, right? Bon appetit. So as I said, great treatment of diarrhea, colic, winds, digestion, loss of appetite, even asthma, bronchitis, the natural digestive tract cleaner. If you need to make some kind of disinfection or to ease your stomach pain, heart supporter, blood vessel supporter. It will enhance blood vessels health, the health of your blood vessels. That's a lot, isn't it? Bye, everyone.